What if your first $1,000 online is closer than you think? Most people believe making money online is complicated. But in reality, it's about using the right methods and staying consistent. In this video, I'll show you how I made my first $1,000 online and how you can do the same step by step. Welcome to Passive Profit Lab, where we explore smart ways to make money online and build passive income streams. If you're serious about building online income, make sure to subscribe. Now let's break down exactly how beginners can reach their first $1,000. Starting point. When I started, I had no experience, no money, no audience, just a phone and internet. The biggest mistake beginners make is waiting for the perfect moment. But the truth is, you just need to start. Choosing the right method. Instead of trying everything, I focused on simple methods like freelancing, affiliate marketing, content creation. These are beginner-friendly and require little to no investment. First earnings. My first earnings didn't come instantly. It started small, $5, $10, $20, but these small wins build confidence. The goal is not perfection, it's progress. Scaling up. Once I understood what worked, I started scaling. Creating more content, improving my skills, focusing on one niche. Consistency is what turns small earnings into real income. The $1,000 milestone. Reaching the first $1,000 is a big moment. Not just because of the money, but because it proves that making money online is possible. After that, everything becomes easier. Key lessons. Here are the most important lessons. Focus on one method. Stay consistent. Learn and improve daily. Don't quit early. Most people fail because they stop too soon. Example strategy. Pick one method like freelancing or affiliate marketing. Work on it daily. Build skills. Stay consistent for 30 to 60 days. That's how results start coming. Making your first $1,000 online is not impossible. It just requires patience, consistency, and the right strategy. If you stay committed, you can build real online income. Subscribe to Passive Profit Lab for more videos about side hustles, passive income, and making money online. And tell me in the comments, what's your first income goal online?